Paolo Tantocos death. Matalinong Pilipinas, what if I told you someone very powerful may have been present during that time? March 8, 2025, Paolo Tantocos died in a Beverly Hills hotel. Cause of death, cocaine effects, overdose. But here's where it gets controversial. First Lady Liza Marcos was also there in LA during that week, where she was attending Manila International Film Festival, the same event that Paolo was part of. Then boom, Vice President Sara drops a bombshell. She publicly claimed that Liza Marcos was part of the police report, allegedly on the room where Paolo died. But Malacanang claps back with their Auntie Claire. She said that VP Sara was fake news. The First Lady was never questioned or was linked. So now, here's the twist. The police report wasn't yet released publicly. Everything is based on Sara's word versus the palace denial. So, was Liza Marcos really there? Or was this all just politics? One thing's clear. Someone is lying. But until the full police report in the US is released, all we have are speculations. So as of the moment, condolences again to the family. A kapwa Filipino dying on another country deserves the truth. Nothing's for sure at the moment, but Matalinong Pilipinas, I'm curious. What are your thoughts?